How to organize your notes with collapsible sections in iOS 18. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you a fantastic new feature in iOS 18 that will change the way you organize your notes. So, first things first, open up your Notes app and then here's a rough schedule I've created for the week. As you can see, it's just a regular note right now, but we can make it much more manageable. To add collapsible sections, start by highlighting the title of your section. For example, let's highlight Monday. Next, tap the text format button below, which is at the bottom left at the first, and then here you'll see several options like body, subheading, heading and title. For collapsible sections, we want to select heading. And just like that, you have created a collapsible section. Now you can easily expand or collapse this section by tapping on the drop down that appears after you highlight the text and set it to heading. Now, this feature is perfect for managing long to-do lists, and you can do it with every title that you want. And then if you want to add on more sections, like add on your to-do list for next week and you want to set the previous weeks to one section, then what you can do is add a title and then highlight it and then go to the same format and set the text to title. Now if you tap this drop down, then all the headings that you have set below will appear in one section. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.